In this video, we're going to do the most simple braided pony. All it is taking sections and tying them one on top of the other. You're going to grab it and you're going to tie it right here. You're going to take your next section, in this case it's orange, and we are going to tie it right here. So you're going to grab your next section and you're going to put it above orange. Now we're going to take our fourth section, in this case it's pink. Pink is going to be gathered above the red, and we're going to tie it right here. Pull on all your sections. Pull here, pull in the middle, pull on the side, pull on the middle, pull on the side.